All right, y'all, welcome back to Philly D's channel. So today, I want to see if I can rebuild or replenish this battery. So it took a shit on me again. So before I don't know, get rid of it, I want to see if I can revive it with my Noco. So I just wanted to, I did a review on this a while back, but I don't know if I ever did a review of trying it on a battery that's actually dead. So this battery is totally dead. I'm gonna show y'all real quick. I think I got my other tester, my battery tester in my bag. We're at work. I'm gonna show y'all this battery is totally dead right now. It's one of my old battery testers. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna see if I can bring this thing back to life with this Noco Genius 10. So basically what this is it's a battery maintainer slash charger. So it might not work if this thing is totally shot. It ain't gonna work, but all right, so first thing you do is, well, wait, this thing has a cord on it, so you do have to plug it up. So maybe you guys are looking for a battery charger or something to help maintain your batteries. So I got this outlet running from over there to here. First you gotta plug it up. Once you plug it up, it's gonna come on like that. So you're gonna hook your red to your red, hook the black, or your negative to the negative. See, that's why I like top and side post batteries, because just imagine if all you had was a side post right here. You would have to like get something to screw in here, or a battery terminal or whatever, so you'd be able to hook up like that. Otherwise, see this? This is not going to stay in there like that. That's not a good connection. You need something like that, so it could clamp on it like that. All right. So once you got it hooked up, you're gonna turn it on. You're gonna hold this mode button, and then this is gonna blank. 6 volts. I'm gonna take it over. You got 6 volts AGM. Then you got a power supply. Then you got a repair mode. Okay. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's in repair mode right now. So you just leave it there. I don't know. It's gonna take a few hours to actually repair this battery, if it's gonna be able to. If it doesn't work, there's a indicator up here, I think right there. It tells you that basically the battery is shot. So yeah, so now we wait, see if we can repair it. So y'all stand by. All right, y'all, quick update. I think it's still going. So it's been over probably close to like 3 hours, and it's still in 12 volt maintenance repair mode. So it is still currently being repaired. So we're gonna let it sit a couple more hours, however long it take. We'll come back, we'll check it out. All right, y'all. I think I might have been going too long because it's been hours. So look, it's kind of weird because usually when a battery is bad, this indicator right here, see that? It got like an X, and it's a battery shape right there. So if it was bad, I think that would be lit up. So it's not bad. Now, usually once you're done with the repair, from what I can remember, it's supposed to go into the automatic trickle charge, but I don't know, don't appear to be doing that right now, unless it already did it. I really don't know because it's been hours since I've been in here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it on the AGM right here. Y'all see that? It's the AGM 12 volt because this is an AGM battery, right? It's not a regular standard battery. So it's AGM. You want to put the battery on the AGM setting. So we're gonna hold this button here. No, that's the wrong button. Hold on. You got 6 volt AGM right there. All right, you press the button once and then you could do the top up there. You hold it to get to the bottom. So right now it's on 12 volt AGM. So we're gonna leave it there and we're gonna let it sit there and charge for a couple more hours. When it's done, it should be up in the green. So let's see what happens. All right, y'all, welcome back. So yeah, so it's been a little bit. So as y'all can see, it's still on 12 G. No, what the? I can't even see. 12 volts AGM. As y'all can see, it's up in the green now. Let me grab that light. What? All right, so as y'all can see, it's on green. So it's crazy. So this battery actually took a charge. Well, it took the repair. So I was able to repair it, and I was able to recharge it. Now, let me try something real quick. This is really like a test that I'm testing. Really want to see if this Noco can really repair a battery, because this battery was toast. So I don't know if y'all can remember this morning when I tested it with this battery tester. See, negative to negative, and we're getting real scientific in here today, guys. So we got our tester right here. Remember earlier it wouldn't even light up. All right, bam. So right now it's saying that the battery is actually 12 volts. See how bright that green light is? So it's actually recharged. So we bring this battery back to life. So I mean, I guess the proof is right there. This was able to repair the battery and recharge it, and right now it's just maintaining the charge that's on there. So I guess the question is, will I put this back in one of my cars? That's a good question. Probably not, because I don't want to have to go. I don't know. I may. We'll see. We'll find out. You guys will find out. So, one thing though you got to remember with these batteries, yeah, I did repair it. Okay. I mean, I guess I did. I mean, I repaired it. I didn't take the battery apart, put new plates in there and all that shit. And no, I didn't do all that, but we repaired it and we recharged it. So damn, what was I about to say? That's what I'm about to say. So we didn't actually put a load on the battery though. So there's 2 different types of tests you could do. Like, you know, you could check the battery, just surface charge and all that. You can actually check the cranking amps, but you want to put a load, like an actual load on the battery itself. So they got load testers where it'll simulate like your car being your battery being in a car. Like you turn the radio on, you turn the AC on, your heater on, you turn whatever type of electronics you got in your car, you turn that stuff on, and that's considered putting a load on your battery. Okay, turning your headlights on. Headlights is a good one. So that's the only thing I didn't do, and that's what's hesitating me about wanting to put this back in my car, because it died too many times. It drained out too many times. So I really don't want to test it or put it back in my car. I don't know. I might put it if one of my batteries in my Buicks die again. Actually, this would fit in the truck. It'll fit in any one of the In fact, I think the truck takes the same battery that the Buicks take. So if any one of them batteries ever die and I need a battery, I might try this battery out again. Now, the only thing is with that is, depending on how long it takes for one of my other batteries to go bad, this battery be sitting here on the shelf. You know what I'm saying? So it's naturally going to die. You know what I mean? Especially sitting, you know, it gets cold, the heat cycles is going to go through, is just going to probably just naturally die again. So that's why I'm like, I don't know if I'm going to do it unless I try to recharge it and stuff like that again before I go to use it whenever I need it, and then we go from there. But I guess this is a testament to the Noco Genius that it does work. It does repair your battery and recharge it and maintain it. So again, can also supply voltage to whatever you're trying to use. It does all types of, any type of battery you got, AGM, lithium, does all types of batteries. So yeah, man, I hope this answers some questions out there about this Noco, because I've had a lot of questions about the Noco Genius 10 and my battery charger. So I've had questions about both of my Nocos. So yeah, man, if y'all got any more questions about these, let me know in the comments below. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll check you on the next one. All right, y'all, I just wanted to point out, when your battery is fully charged, it's gonna just stay green just like that. The indicator is just gonna light up green. So you won't see the rest of these colors here. It'll just be one solid green light. Now, I've never left this maintainer on a battery this long. I don't think so. I can't remember, because I've used it so many times between the multiple cars. So, but I left it on overnight, and I came back in here to look at it again, and it's a solid green. So yeah, once you see this color, you know it's fully charged, and your battery should be good to go. All right, y'all.